the break wall. And I'm really...
It's so windy here.
It is pretty windy. And we're gonna walk all the way down to there and just kind of show what it looks like. And this is kind of the marina. So we have all the boats in here. And there's also a beach right there too. And there's a lighthouse and some houses, and that's the town of Lexington right there. You can see the water tower. So we're gonna stroll down and check it all out. So stay tuned. Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, here we are in the Lexington breakwall. My two kids over there. And we got some people fishing down that way. We're gonna walk all the way to the end. But this kind of gives you an idea of what Lexington is like. And you got some really strong waves over here coming in. And I'm flying a Steve. I haven't been. Okay, so we're gonna walk all the way down. It's kind of interesting. Engineer, so this is built by the US Army. I think that was probably a Roosevelt, probably the New Deal kind of stuff. So I think they built all kinds of really cool stuff like this. And so I think that's probably why it says the US Army Engineers. I don't know what time I don't know when this was created, but I'm gonna guess it was probably around that time period. Yeah, actually the American flag, US Army Engineers, I guess it kind of makes sense. So, okay. Support in your local environments. So we're gonna walk all the way down. Got some marinas and fishermen. So those are all the boats coming in. I mean parked. Some big boats out there. And a lot of times people will fish over here, as you can see right there. And there's some other ones where I see people, there's a Port Sound Boardwalk as well. It's a little bit, I don't think they have the rocks there like this one. Oh, there's a duck out there too. So I wonder what year this was constructed. I wonder if that must have been the Roosevelt, I guess. Could have been, must have been that time period. Can't imagine them building it in another era. Okay, so you can see that the boardwalk, there's another one that goes up that way. That one you can't walk, but it just kind of blocks the, and it's pretty windy. Oh yeah, duck right there. All right. So what do you think?
It's so hot.
It is pretty windy, isn't it? Yeah, it was so hot. Actually, that's the thing I remember growing up. Down to the lake, it's quite a lot cooler than if you go inland in Michigan a little bit. I always thought those are kind of cool too, because there's a bunch of homes and they have a hill like that. So those hills, like kids will take sleds and slide down those green hills all the way over there. And then in the winter time, this would be more like ice. So it'd also be kind of cool as well. Yeah.
I almost ate my hair just now.
Really? Yeah, if you got long hair, it's going to be all over the place. I think I see TikTok videos like that where hair goes in the mouth. Another taste of Lexington. It is nice to be out here actually. So a lot of people will come out here and just take a walk. And they'll usually come all the way up to the end. Sometimes they'll go fishing. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, actually actually been here before. Yep. I think I probably brought you here every time we've been in Michigan. But the last time was before COVID, so it's been at least 5 years. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, now we got a recording of this time that you're here. So someday, that little yellow smiley face has been there for years. Yeah. Yeah, I think I remember it. For many, many years.
Is it older than me?
Older than you, yeah.
Is it older than Quinn Tyler?
Yeah. I'm gonna guess it's probably like 30 years old at least.
30 years old?
Yeah. Hello. There we go. Okay, you got it. You want to say anything for the camera? Want to do a dance?
Here you go.
Very cool. All right. Any final words you want to say for the camera? Hope you enjoyed the Lexington break wall in Michigan. Okay, and now we're walking back. So it's a nice little ritual just to walk on out, and of course there's some people hang out and just have conversations or they'll go fishing. But yeah, it's just a really beautiful place just to come and watch the waves, listen to the ocean, look at the birds, the rocks in the water, all kinds of cool stuff. Lexington Breakwell, Michigan. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Yeah.